Hey everybody, Kris Gethin here. Now I've been in the industry for over 20 years, both as a professional athlete and as a personal trainer. During that time I've been taking supplements, and one of the crazy things that I heard about supplements that completely shook my life was that a load of branched chain amino acids and glutamine out there on the market are derived from human hair, bird feathers, and animal fur. This is one of the reasons why I started Kaged Muscle Supplements, because there is no way that I wanted to put something like that in my body. And it was only when I actually started working within the supplement industry that I was exposed to this. I've been taking supplements and suggesting supplements for years that were extracted using harsh chemicals and extreme heat to extract these amino acids from bird feather, animal fur, and human hair. Absolutely unbelievable. So when I started Kaged Muscle Supplements, I vowed never ever to go down that route. Even though it may be cheaper, could save money, give me more margin, there's no way that I was gonna put that in my body, and I wouldn't suggest it to you. So what we do with Kaged Muscle is use fermented amino acids, fermented branched chain amino acids, fermented glutamine, and those single fill amino acids, such as the essential amino acids, okay? Giving you great nitrogen balance, and obviously giving you the muscle protein energy that you need from branched chain amino acids, and to top up your glutamine stores that can often get depleted, especially if you're an active individual. So these are the major differences. If it doesn't say fermented BCAAs or fermented glutamine, you can pretty much almost bet your life on it that those are extracted from human hair, bird feathers, and animal fur. I'm repeating myself because I want you to understand this, because I couldn't believe it myself when I first heard it, okay? So next time that you're looking for a BCAA, especially if you're vegan or vegetarian, or branched chain amino acid or glutamine, make sure that it is fermented. Remember, with Kaged Muscle Supplements, not only do we want to fuel your performance, your recovery, we want to contribute to your health as well.